In this video, I am going to teach you how to upload and resize pictures to Acuity Scheduling site. So as you can see right here, I'm already signed into my site. However, if you do not have an account yet, you can head over right here to their website, which is acuityscheduling.com. From in there, you have two options. You can either sign up by clicking onto this Get Started option or this Get Started option right here. You take note that you don't need a credit card in order to get started for this. Now, if you already have an account like I do, you can just click on this login option we can see right here. Once you have successfully clicked on that, you will be redirected or you will be asked for your credentials for your Acuity Scheduling account. So here is my Acuity Scheduling. What we can do is we can head over right here to the scheduling page and then head over right here to the styles option. And into this part, you can see that we can have some colors, backgrounds, header, text, and the likes. Now in here, what we can do is we can navigate into this part and just choose the option for the edit palette. You can also match your website according to your liking. Now into this, we have different parts that we can use. So we have in here this. You can just right here. However, alternatively, you can exit the styles option and you can head over to the particular services that you're offering. Like let's head over to the appointment types. Let's click onto this edit onto this service. And from in there, scroll down and you can add an image from this. Click onto this add image. Let's head over and choose in here an image and click on open. After you've done that, click onto this save. And when you head over right here to your scheduling page again, you should be able to see that it should be able to have an image. However, it may take some time for this to load, so just wait for this a little bit. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.